Welcome to CendyVerse, your tech space for a smarter solution. Today we are turning an old PC into your own very NAS server using OpenMediaVault. Let's get started. Only simple three steps need to complete your NAS server. One is download the OVM, make bootable drive, and lastly install it into your old PC. So we are going to OpenMediaVault website and download the latest stable version. Links in the description. We are using Rufus for bootable drive. So we are downloading the Rufus. Now we are going to select our previous downloaded file and start. It will do its own job. Just click yes, yes, okay, okay. So it will download some file, everything by itself. I assume that you already know how to make a bootable drive, so I'm not going through the process of making a drive bootable, pen drive, etc. Or I will make another separate video on this, how you can make your pen drive a bootable drive, etc. Now grab your pen drive, insert into your old PC and select it as a bootable drive, a boot drive. From now on, it's totally easy process. Just click the install, next. That's all. Deep internet connection is recommended for this type of installation time because everything will download automatically, install automatically. If you don't have internet, it's not a big deal. You can install it later. You can update it and another software. Those will be a website from or web from. You can get that idea in this video. How will the set up the disk drive for your needs? But basically, you after completion this, your service ready and it's running through your router. Okay, that's all. Through our journey of the installation of NAS, if you find any kind of problem, please comment down in the the comment box. I will get to you. Thanks for watching till the end. Here is your server ready. It's easy. Yeah, there's easy. There's 3 steps, simple steps. Next video, I will show you how you can manage this server from your mobile device or any kind of device or web browser, and you can make your RAID, this kind of the hard disks, etc. In this video, we'll show the details. In this video, we just complete the installation